Welcome to Visionary Success Tales. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest battles in social media history. TikTok versus Instagram Reels versus YouTube Shorts. These platforms aren't just changing how we consume content, they're reshaping culture, creativity, and even businesses. But here's the kicker. It's not just about which one is winning. It's about what we can learn from their strategies, and how you can use those lessons to grow your own presence or business. So buckle up, because we're exploring the secrets behind their success. Let's go! Before we break down the competition, let's talk about why short videos are everywhere. It all started with TikTok in 2016. Back then it was all about lip syncing and dancing. Fast forward a few years and TikTok turned into the platform for creativity and trends. It grew so fast that it scared the big players, Instagram and YouTube. Instagram responded with Reels in 2020, integrating short videos into their already massive platform, and YouTube, known for long-form content, said, "Hold my camera," and introduced Shorts. Today these three platforms dominate short-form content, with billions of views daily. Why does this matter? Because short videos tap into one simple truth: attention spans are shrinking. People want fast, entertaining, and engaging content. And if you're not adapting to this trend, you're missing out. Let's start with TikTok, the trendsetter. TikTok is where the magic happens. Viral challenges, dance trends, and even the latest fashion. What makes TikTok so special? It's all about authenticity. The app encourages creators to be real, raw, and relatable. Plus, its algorithm is crazy smart. It knows what you like before you know what you like. That's why you can open TikTok for just 5 minutes and end up scrolling for hours. Lesson number 1, creativity and timing are everything. TikTok shows us that success isn't about being perfect. It's about jumping on trends early and adding your unique twist. Next, we have Instagram Reels, the polished player. Reels came to life in 2020 and it's clear Instagram had one goal: take TikTok's crown. But instead of copying TikTok completely, Instagram leaned into its strengths: filters, polished visuals, and a community built on curated content. Reels is perfect for people who want their content to look perfect. Influencers, brands, and creators use it to create highly shareable, polished content. And because it's part of Instagram, it has the advantage of stories, posts, and even shopping tools all in one place. The lesson from Reels? Leverage your existing strengths. Whether you're a brand or an individual, don't try to be something you're not. Instead, focus on making your strengths shine. And then there's YouTube Shorts. While YouTube is the king of long-form content, Shorts is its way of saying, hey, we're not too old for this trend. And it's working. Shorts already sees 50 billion views daily. Yes, you heard that right, billion. Shorts is perfect for creators who already have a YouTube channel. Why? Because it acts as a gateway. Someone might watch a funny 15-second short and then check out your longer videos. For creators, this is huge. It's like planting seeds for long-term growth. The takeaway from Shorts? Use short videos as part of a bigger strategy. It's not just about quick wins, it's about building a lasting audience. Now let's compare their strengths. TikTok is the best for going viral. Its trends and algorithm make it the king of creativity. Reels? It's where you go for polished, shareable content that fits into an already massive ecosystem. And Shorts? It's the underdog that's perfect for growing an audience across all types of content. But here's the thing, they're not just fighting for views, they're fighting for your time. The more time you spend on their platform, the more money they make. And the winner? It's you. You get endless entertainment, inspiration, and even opportunities to grow your brand. So what's the big lesson? Be adaptable. Each platform rewards creativity in different ways. Experiment and see what works. Be consistent. Whether it's TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, showing up regularly is key to growth. Find your style. TikTok rewards raw creativity, Reels loves aesthetics, and Shorts values engagement with existing content. And remember, you don't have to choose just one. The best creators are on all three platforms, tailoring their content for each audience. It's not about picking sides, it's about playing smart. Thanks for tuning in to Visionary Success Tales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a story that helps you grow. TikTok, Reels, or Shorts? Which platform is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.